thing I love about Sydney Hobart is just the whole aura of the race. The lead up to the race, the competitors, you've got some of the most iconic, ocean racing sailors in the world competing in this race.
As a kid, I used to watch the start every year, the boats, the cameras, the helicopters, the sheer festival of it all and the sheer exhilaration behind it.
It is one of the most sought after ocean racing trophies in the world, and to be part of that is a real privilege. It's an amazing event and it gets better every year.
A 628-mile rite of passage for generations of sailors. From Sydney's spectacular start to Hobart's welcoming finish. South, along one of the sport's most iconic and challenging racetracks. Where boat and crew are tested time and time again. And rivals meet to try to etch their names into history. The Rolex Sydney Hobart Yacht Race. A true ocean classic.